Alright guys, so I was at the starting line. There's about like a good 30 of us in this tournament, and there's not too many coves unless you cross to the other side of the lake. And I took off real quick and I only see one person behind me. I'm sorry I didn't do an intro. I know y'all can't even see anything, but it's crazy. I had to haul all the way over here because there's so many people. Like, they'll beat me to the spot real quick. So I don't know how the fish are reacting. I don't know what they're up to. I was gonna come yesterday to do a practice run, but I didn't. 60 degrees this morning. I think they're deep, guys. We'll see how it goes. I used to fish this spot so many times. I've fished this spot a lot, so I caught my PB here. I know the spots, I know the tricks. I'm talking a lot. I know it's probably like 3-4 minutes that I'm talking. Welcome back everyone to the video. It's been a while. You're seeing this video, it's for a reason. I'm about to get to the first spot. Keep y'all updated. Is that a fish? Oh, that's a fish. First fish of the day. First fish of the day. Get in here, buddy. First fish of the day. Okay. On the jerkbait. Currently 7:19. 19 minutes into the tournament. All right, folks. First fish of the day. Not a giant, but he is long. He's about 14 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this fish go. Back in the water he goes. I made a lot of noise, kind of. So I'm gonna continue fishing these edges. I'm not gonna make too much commotion. There's some people on the other side. I'm sure they saw me catch that fish. Let's keep going. I could be playing it very risky here because I'm just like jumping around. I could be skipping fish and moving fast, so probably not a good thing, but that seems to work for me for some reason. So just pinpoint the good spots. See a lot of yakkers on the other side already, so gotta hurry it up. Is that a fish? That's a fish. Keep quiet. Oh, I lost him. Dink. I mean, I don't think that would have done anything for me. Not too salty about that one. The little small one's going for this huge bait. Props to that guy. That's a fish. That's a fish right there. Buddy. Second fish of the day, first largie. Alright folks, second fish of the day right there. Another 14-incher. Here we go. Back in the water he goes. Alright, let's keep fishing. I kind of know my technique. Water's clear, sun's out. Slim shake. Kind of slow, not too slow. Kind of make it a little quick here and there, but that guy was just fishing this area. He asked me if I had caught anything. I was like, yeah, I've caught one this morning. He asked me on what? Jerkbait. I'm sticking very close to the edge. He's up on the edge now too. I'm sticking between that 5-foot range, so there's that one sweet spot where they're at. It's very cold, kind of windy. Not very cold, it's kind of cold, windy. Fish aren't too active this morning. Heard from several fishermen already that they haven't even gotten a bite, they haven't caught fish. They're trying to figure out where these fish are. They're trying every single bait. The thing is, you gotta stick to one bait for quite a bit before you start switching over, start switching it up. So I heard guys saying, yeah, I tried reaction this morning and I didn't get anything, so I switched up. I was using a jerkbait for like an hour, and you just gotta know the spots, dude. You gotta know the spots. Jerkbait seemed to work out there for a bit. Switched over to the slim shake. Didn't get any bites for one area. Didn't get any bites in another area. Came to this area. I wasn't getting any bites, and then kind of adjusted my movement on the bait and caught that fish. So you just gotta be patient. When tough days like this, you gotta be patient with the bait you use. It's my little tip of the day. So I'm gonna keep fishing, fish this spot a little longer since I caught that one fish, and then head over to another spot. That's a fish right there. That's a nice one. Get in the boat, boat. Yes. Third fish of the day. Biggest one, I think. Okay. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Biggest one of the day so far. Alright. Biggest fish of the day so far. Not bad. I'm gonna let him go. This fish is very cold. Back in the water he goes. You know, we're 4 hours into the tournament and it honestly doesn't feel like 4 hours. I guess because it's not hot. When it's hot out here, I'm like dying, but it's been a minute since I've caught a fish, y'all. Last fish I caught was at 9:20 and it's 11:02. Fished the whole cove right here to the right of me. Kind of fished out a little deep. Water got very murky back up in that cove, so I think that was at my disadvantage. Tried Cinco, bandito bug, and that didn't seem to work, so we're back with the Slim Shake, the old reliable. Everyone I've talked to hasn't caught anything. So I guess I'm doing all right, but I'm sure there's someone out there that, I mean, there's got to be someone out there that's slaying them, because there's like 30 people in this tournament, which I did not expect. I thought it was going to be a few people. Now I'm struggling. It's 11 o'clock, 2 hours left in the tournament, and I'm honestly happy if I catch one more fish. I'm going to give it my all. Keep grinding. Last tournament, I started slacking off because I got cocky. I caught like 9 fish that tournament, but I got second place. I got second place because I was off a few centimeters. Yep, so I'm gonna keep grinding all the way through the tournament. So let's see if we can make it happen. Catch one more.
El cuarto lugar con 42 pulgadas 3/4 es Jacob Galván. A él le voy a hacer también una placa de reconocimiento también. Ahorita yo te mando un mensaje para entregártela, porque ahorita pues, como te digo, hay falta.
Alright folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. I know I didn't talk much or kind of interact with the video a lot because I was just in the zone. 7 hours of straight fishing is pretty tough. I placed 4th, 1 inch away from 3rd place. And I lost like 2 fish. One of them was really small. I don't think that was 12 inches because they have to be 12 inches. But yeah, it sucks. It was a rough day. It kicked my butt and it kicked a lot of other people's butts. But hopefully next tournament I can do a little bit better. We'll see what happens. I need to get back in the grind of fishing, making more videos. I just haven't had time, but we'll try and make it happen. Hopefully next weekend, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. I'll try and get out there and fish. Thank you for watching the video though. I am back with another video. I appreciate the love, appreciate the support. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if y'all haven't already. With that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.